In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product filtering in Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look at the left side menu and click on Apps. After that, click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Shopify Search Discovery and open the app. Now click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Once the installation is complete, go back to your app section and open Shopify Search Discovery. Inside the app, click on Filters. Next, click Add Filter. You'll now see different filter options like availability, price, product type, vendor, variant options, and tags. Choose the filters you want customers to use on your store. For example, you can add filters for size, color, price range, or product category. After selecting your filters, click Save. Now head over to your online store and open your collection page preview. You should now see product filtering options displayed on your collection pages, allowing customers to sort and find products more easily. You can always return to the Shopify Search Discovery app later to add more filters or remove existing ones. And that's it. You've successfully added product filtering to your Shopify store, helping improve navigation and the overall shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.